Imagine holding the most anticipated tech event of the year, talking for 2 straight hours, and releasing absolutely zero new hardware. No new television box, no smart speakers, no compact desktop computers. Nothing, just pure software. It sounds like a massive disappointment, right? But behind the scenes, something much bigger is happening. The tech giant didn't hold back because they lacked new devices. They held back because of a secret war over development and a massive global chip shortage that is breaking the entire industry. The products are finished, boxed, and sitting in warehouses right now. The decision makers looked at them and said, not yet. The first big reason comes down to a waiting game with advanced software features. Industry insiders revealed that a brand new television hub and an updated compact smart speaker are completely done. The new TV box packs a blazing fast processor, and the upgraded speaker features a completely redesigned audio system. But these devices were built specifically to showcase a totally rebuilt virtual assistant. This new assistant is designed to use your personal context and conversation history to actually be useful. The catch? This upgraded assistant is only launching in a limited test phase with a massive waitlist. It will not be ready for the public until mid-September at the very earliest. Releasing a smart speaker for a futuristic feature you cannot even use yet makes no sense. The company is choosing to wait until September or October so these devices can launch alongside the public release of the new phone lineup and operating system. The hardware is ready, but the digital brain behind it needs a little more time to get ready. The second reason for the hardware silence is much more serious, and it is a massive structural crisis. If you try to buy a compact desktop computer or a professional workstation right now in June 2026, you will find it is almost impossible. Certain high-end desktop configurations with 32 GB and 64 GB of memory have quietly vanished from the online store. The professional studio workstation with the latest high-end chips and 256 GB of memory is completely gone. If you manage to place an order, your shipping estimate isn't days or weeks, it is 4 to 5 months away. This isn't a minor supply chain wobble. It is a brutal global memory chip shortage. Every massive tech giant on Earth is aggressively building massive server data centers. They are buying up memory chips at a scale the world has never seen before. The exact same memory chips needed for your next desktop computer are being swallowed up by massive corporate servers. And right now, the server factories are winning the queue. Even the chief executive went on record to admit that these desktop models will be incredibly hard to get for months. The company actually had the brand new next-generation compact desktops and professional workstations ready to be announced at the event. They pulled them at the last second. Announcing a shiny new computer that nobody can actually buy for half a year creates massive frustration. It is better to stay completely quiet than create a nightmare waitlist on top of a broken supply chain. Reports are already circulating that these desktop updates, and even a potential ultra-premium laptop, might get pushed all the way into 2027 if the memory shortage continues to choke the market. But this temporary silence means the company is quietly loading a massive slingshot for later this year. The upcoming fall lineup is shaping up to be the biggest and most explosive launch in history. We are looking at the new Pro phones, the maximum-sized Pro models, and a brand new ultra-premium phone dropping in September. We will finally get the new television box and the updated small smart speaker alongside the new operating system. On top of that, a brand new full-size smart speaker and a revolutionary home hub are being prepared. This home hub will be the very first smart home display, featuring a 6 to 7-inch screen, video calling, and deeply integrated smart features. We are even expecting futuristic premium earbuds packed with built-in cameras. The new desktop computers will drop the very second the global memory supply stabilizes. This brings us to the ultimate question. Was it the right move to stay silent? In my opinion, this was a masterclass in patient strategy. Releasing a smart speaker or a television box without its core smart software features would make the hardware feel half-baked and disappointing. Pushing out computers that buyers can't touch until next year would ruin customer trust. It is much better to compress all that energy into one massive, unforgettable autumn wave. It is always better to wait for a product that does exactly what it promises on day one. What do you think? Would you rather have the new television box right now without the upgraded features, or wait until the software is fully ready? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the future of tech.